All right, this is a song I wrote a million years ago, and we re-recorded it because Nadirah said, I want to sing that song. Like, hell yes, you can sing that song. It's available on our new album, Covering Their Tracks, our newest album, I suppose. Is it new anymore after a year?
Still new.
It's not still new. Still, it's got that leather smell still.
It hasn't even been driven off the lot yet.
All right, D minor, boys. D minor dancers.
Almost established with all keys.
Woke up with a headache, I can't see the shade. I stayed up watching TV, all I stayed up way too late. But that text was making me, and those so-called brilliant minds. I got one eye on my wallet, and the other one is mine. And if they're gonna feed me the lies, I'm not taking margaritas. Some people like Patron, my friends, they like Darnuvia. We all like them Tangy. How you like your margarita? How you like your margarita?
That's what I had in mind.
Well, you just hadn't met me yet.
I hadn't met you yet.
And it's a cool song.
Oh, thank you.